I mean, we're close. We're right here. Here's 47 still. There's 48, 49 on Euro Yen. All right, I'll get in at 48. I'm short Euro Yen at 48. It's basically, a 5-minute trend trade entry. We've got the 1 minute, the head of the snake, which is the 1-minute boxes, are headed straight down. We're at the 5-minute box. If you look at the 5-minute chart, it just made a lower low, and it's pulled back off that lower low, and here we are. So I'm taking my chances, even though our candlesticks haven't turned over yet. We're still moving up. I do think this is a good level to be in at. My stop will be over this 5-minute box. So it's currently moving lower. It's at 63. After the next 5-minute candle close, we should see this value itself down just a little bit. Plus, we got pretty clear roads under us. I mean, our 5-minute entry, our whole 5-minute lane is clear. 15-minute lane is clear. You can see the Euro Yen white zone shrinking here caused it to move up a bit higher. All right, that 5-minute box you see now just moved from 63 to 61. So we've got a nice little stop level here at 61. Yeah, definitely, Mohammed. We'll look to get to that 1 minute. I'll take half off there and see if this 5-minute trend doesn't continue. So we'll look to get about 10 pips on the first half. Dow's starting to turn back down again. See if that helps us out. Because the up move on Euro Yen and Euro Dollar corresponded with the bounce off the bottom from the Dow. So now if the Dow tries to make another low, we should see these Euro trades go lower again. Well, I'm short Euro Yen from 48. David? Okay. And, I think this Euro Dollar, from 90 looks good, but we've only been as high as like 85, 86. I would get in around 90 on Euro Dollar. We're at 45, 47 on Euro Yen, so up a pip. There's 46. So right now what I want to see is some red candles on the 5-minute. If we can get a red candle close, then we might start moving lower. So looking for some red candle closes. Now see, look at that 5-minute box on Euro Yen is down at 59. It started at 63, then went to 61, now it's at 59. So our stop loss is getting tighter and tighter. All right, cable is up here, isn't it? I've got 96.7 on cable. Now cable I do like up in this level around big figure. This is all good right here. I'd like to see about 4 pips higher, but Angle's got 97. Cable's at 95, 96, not getting over 96. Patrick took a few on Euro Yen, 3.5. Fred's in at 97, good deal. You guys got good entries, I'd say. I've got 96. I could get in at 96 here. We're at the L7. We're at a nice cluster of resistance. It's 96.8 on cable. So let's see if it's going to pop up at all. There's 97. We're up a pip on Euro Yen. It's at 46.7. I want to see Euro Yen get under the 1-minute boxes. I've got 96, 97 on cable. I guess I better get in if I'm going to have a chance. So 96, short cable. I'm with you guys. I like it. Euro Yen's at 44 plus 4 again. Euro pound is, yeah, the 4-hour L7, is it? Okay, cool. Here's 43 plus 5 on Euro Yen, 42 plus 6. All right, let's see how, there's 40 plus 8. There's 39 plus 9, 38 plus 10. Let's take 10 on half. Exit half at 38 plus 10. Cable's up 5 at 91. I'm going to take the plus 5 on cable. And flat. And we're at the 1 minute box. I mean, it might drop more. In fact, it just did. There's 89. All right, Euro Yen's at 35 plus 13. I'm going to give Euro Yen some room. I think Euro Yen might be heading lower. We've got clear rows. We've just cracked a lower low on the 1. The 5 minutes starting to look good. We're starting to get some downward trajectory. Euro dollar is dropping. And the Dow is moving lower. All right, Angles took 5 on half his cable. Muhammad took 10 on Euro Yen. You got it. Fred took 6 on cable. Stephen 8 on Euro Dollar. Very good. David took 6 on cable and is now flat. I forgot your patience pill. There's 36. Come on. Plus 12 right now on Euro Yen. Well, I like when we're trading near the lows. We're down here at the low of this since we've been in the trade, and I like when it hangs out here a long time. It means the sellers are staying strong and eventually could overcome the buyers. We're at 35, 36. Here's 35 again, plus 13. Still here, 32, 34. There we go. There's 31, 33. All right, we're at this lower band shade. I'm going to take it, plus 15. On the second half. Because, I mean, we're right at this band shade. It was 31, 35, 33, so I just had to just grab it. Not bad, not bad. And then we could probably even consider almost a long entry on Euro here. Thanks, Steven. All right, so right now, up 17.5 pips. Wouldn't mind taking one more trade. Get us over the 20 mark. Vivian took 7 on cable, very good. Patrick took 7 and 6 on cable. Good job, guys. Oh, here's Euro at 61.2. It's in lower lows, guys. I'd be cautious. Be very cautious here. Okay, it's lower than it's been. This is in a lower low right now. And even Euro Yen going lower at 30.32 now. So could have had a little bit more on that. Euro's at 60.61. 58.9 now. Man, I really wish we got in up there in the 80s. I mean, the grid said these moves were going to happen. You know, you had the head of the snakes pointing down. We had clear roads. We try along on Euro around this area. All right, here's 61.62. We're at this 2 column. I'm going to try it. Might as well. Let's see. Long Euro dollar at 62. So normally there's clear roads on all 4 time frames. You look for a move back up to the 1 minute box. Me, I'll probably just go halfway. Or I'll put a break even stop. I'll put a stop somewhere that protects a little bit. There's 66 plus 4. And we are counter trend, so you always know that that is something to be cautious of. There's 67 plus 5. That's good for me. I'm just going to do it. I'm counter trend. I don't want to hang too long. This is a nice little addition to the 17. I'm out at 67 plus 5. And there's 68, so it could have held on for a little bit more. Probably can go to 75, but I want to make sure I get what I came here to get, and that's my 20 pips. And that gives me 22.5 pips on the session, even though it's going higher. There's 69.